Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to download and install MySQL Community Server 9.5 on macOS. Now I am going to download my SQL Server. Open web browser. I am using Safari web browser, you can use any web browser. Go to Google. Type here in Google search bar. Download MySQL for Mac. Press enter. Click on first link. MySQL downloads. Now the MySQL official website is open. Let's scroll down. Click on MySQL Community GPL Downloads. Click on MySQL Community Server. OS is already selected. 9.5.0 is the latest edition. Let's scroll down. Click on Mac OS 15, x86 x 64-bit DMG archive. Click on Download. Click No thanks, just start my download. Click Allow. Now the downloading is started. It is 639.9 megabytes software. You will have to wait until the downloading is completed. Now the downloading is completed. Let's close web browser. Click on Finder. Click Downloads. Here it is our MySQL Server software. Let's right-click on it. Open with Disk Image Mounter. Double-click on MySQL package. Click Allow. Welcome to MySQL 9.5.0 Community Installer. Click on Continue. Software License Agreement. Click Continue. Click Agree. This will take 686.7 megabytes space of your computer. Click Install. Type here admin password. Click Install Software. Enter a password for the root user. Click Finish. Type admin password again. Click OK. Performing initial database setup. Thank you for installing MySQL Server. Click Close. Do you want to keep this MySQL installer package? You can click on Keep, otherwise click Move to Bin. In my case, I want to keep this MySQL installer package. Close Package Installer. Close Downloads. Eject MySQL disk. Go to System Preferences. Let's scroll down to End. Click MySQL. As you can see, our SQL Server instance is running. Let's close System Preferences. Now I am going to open MySQL and show default MySQL databases and create new database. Go to Apple menu bar. Click Go. Click Utilities. Let's double-click on Terminal. Let's close Utilities. Increase terminal font size. You have to run the following command whenever you need to work in MySQL. /usr /local /mysql /bin /mysql space -u space root space -p. Press enter. Type root password. Press enter. Now our SQL server is open. Type the following command to show databases in SQL Server. Show databases. Semicolon. Press enter. As you can see, these are the MySQL default databases. Now I am going to create new database. Type create database demo. Semicolon. Press enter. Now new database is created. Now show again. Show databases. Semicolon. Press enter. As you can see, our created demo database. Let's close terminal. Click terminate. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to download and install MySQL latest version 9.5.0 on Mac. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.